treat yourself to a test drive in the 2012 Honda Civic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.